This is the XIAN Y-20 Kunpeng, China's first domestically developed heavy military transport aircraft. Big, bold, and powerful, it marks a new era in China's airlift capabilities. The Y-20 is designed to transport troops, military equipment, and cargo, even tanks, across vast distances. With a maximum takeoff weight of around 220 tons, the Y-20 rivals Western counterparts like the US C-17 Globemaster III. It can carry up to 66 tons of cargo and has a range of up to 7,800 kilometers, depending on load. Initially, the Y-20 was powered by Russian D-30K P2 engines, but China is gradually replacing them with its own WS-20 turbofan engines, promising improved performance and fuel efficiency. What do you think about the Y-20 Kunpeng? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more cutting-edge military tech insights.